Hello friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. The Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said that science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Oh, I think you all know our today's topic. It is 20 lines on National Science Day. Can you tell me when it is celebrated? It is celebrated on 28th February. So friends, let us know its significance and why it is celebrated. The National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February. On this day, we celebrate the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. It was on this same day that Sir C.V. Raman declared his greatest discovery, the Raman effect, in the year 1928. He was awarded and honored in the year 1930 with the Nobel Prize in the Physics for his great success in the field of science in India. This was the first Nobel Prize for India in the field of science. The National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) asked the Government of India to designate 28th February as the National Science Day in India in 1986. The Government of India observed the first National Science Day on 28th February 1987. This event is celebrated across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and scientific research institutions. Celebration includes organizing public speeches, talk shows, science movies, science exhibitions, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, live projects, and research demonstrations, etc. National Science Day is celebrated every year with a theme to promote science-related activities. National Science Day 2021 theme is Future of STI, Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. The National Science Day creates awareness about the importance of science in the daily life of people. Science Carnival is organized along with a series of scientific activities in many schools and colleges by inviting eminent sciences and faculties. National Science Day celebration stresses the importance of science in the field of human welfare like energy production, medicine and health, environment issues, etc. The events organized during this National Science Day celebration provide a platform for various newcomers to start their career in the field of science. The Minister of Science and Technology delivers messages to students, researchers and the general public of the nation through his speech on this day. This day helps in building the scientific temperament among the children. On National Science Day, the government felicitates the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards to the scientists who have done outstanding work in the field of science. National Science Day celebrations showcases the talent and potential of our scientists to the world. World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated every year on 10th November. Thanks for watching.